Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get no credit check and no credit history personal loan. Yes, you can get this loan with no credit at all. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that I will take you on a tour of this application step by step, as well as I will tell you all the perks and the upsides and the downsides of this personal loan. So please keep that in mind to watch this video till the end, and I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it after watching this video and then you can apply for this personal loan. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yes, here is an opportunity right in front of you, and these are FIG loans. Yes, so FIG loans is a financial institution that has been around from several years, and what they do exactly, they give you the emergency personal loan that you need in just 5 minutes. Yes, you have heard it right. You can apply for this loan in 5 minutes and you can get the loan or the money deposited into your account as soon as 24 hours. Yes, you have heard it right. But before moving forward, I will tell you all the perks and what are the claims that they have and they do and how you can apply for it. So the first thing, they say that what is a FIG loan right here. So they say that a FIG loan is built for you or for the people who can get it. So they exactly mean that anyone can get it. But how? Let's see. So the FIG loans help working class Americans to build credit. Yes, they do report to all 3 major credit bureaus. So it means you can build your credit by paying them on time. The second one, they said that it solves the urgent cash needs. Of course, what it is, it's a quick personal loan, so you can get it. It's not a lot, but it's not very less as well. So you can get it for actually to cover your personal emergency expenses. So, and the other thing, they claim that it's 60% cheaper than the competitors. Like I hit the payday loans, so according to them, they are 60% cheaper than the payday loan companies, and of course they are 100% more honest. So we'll see in a bit, are they honest or not, but I believe they are. That's why I'm reviewing them right now. So they say that there is no hidden fee. So the price you see is the price you pay. You will never be charged more interest or a late fee from FIG. Well, how they can claim it, so let me just tell you. They will do a direct deposit from your account. So it's actually not a direct deposit, it's a direct withdrawal. So what it means that they will take the money from your account with setting up a recurring payment or direct deposit to their account. So at a certain day of a month, they will deduct the money and they will take the money from your account. So of course that's why there will be no late fee, and it totally makes sense. There was no reason to actually mention that right here, but you know, they have to show them that they're really honest, so they're doing it right. And they said that pay at your own pace. So what it means, that you need a couple of days, you can reschedule up to 28 days for free. If you cannot make the payment, your entire payment will split it in half for you when the life doesn't go as planned, and blah blah blah. So what they exactly saying, that you can actually set up a bi-weekly payment, so you can actually pay the payment and two split payments. So what it means, that you can pay it like on the 1st of every month or 30th of every month or 1st of every month or 15th of every month. Whatever is feasible for you, it totally depends on whenever you're gonna get your paycheck. So according to them, you can do that. So one more thing I know about them, that you can actually change your payment date as well. So for example, if you need to pay them on the 1st of every month, you can actually request them to actually get the payment on 7th or 8th or 10th. So you can change the date, and that's how it is a bit flexible for you, so you can actually adjust it according to your paycheck arrival date. So what they claim that you can build your credit with it. So they do report to all the 3 major credit bureaus such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And of course, you can build your credit. You can do one thing exactly in this one. I will tell you, in after a minute or so when I'll go forward with this application, because they have a certain time period, and they will give you a time period. So in that time period, you need to pay them back like the full amount. And what's the time period, I will tell you in a bit. So and then they said that you can get the cash in as soon as next business days, means 24 hours, and then it will only take 5 minutes to fill the application and to apply. So that's what they claim right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see that what are the things they do, and what are the requirements. So I'm gonna go and see who they are, what they do, how they do it, how you can fill that application. I will also take you on a tour of its application as well. So they say right here, when you scroll down, they will say like they can build your credit, of course, as they report to all the major credit bureaus, and the traditional loan doesn't. So that's what they really say. They have really good ratings in all the platforms, like they have 4.9 rating out of 5 on Trustpilot and other websites as well. They actually, one more thing that I really want to tell you about them is right here, that you can apply and you can actually have a bar that you can set that how much you need to get and how much you are going to pay them back. I will show you in a bit. So what they require, what are the requirements? So here are the requirements right in front of you. So you will need the following to submit your application. The first one, of course, is that you have to have a internet connection, because it's an online loan, so you have to apply it online. There's no physical address or physical entity, so you have to do everything online. You have to have a mobile device or a computer, so you can do it on both. Either you have an iPhone, an Android, or your PC, you can do it on it. You need to have your bank login information. As I already told you what they exactly do, they don't check your credit, they don't even do a soft pull to your credit. They will look into your account. So what they will do exactly, they will ask you to connect your bank account to their system. So as soon as you do that, they will analyze your bank statement and they will analyze your transactions, and then they will give you the loan accordingly. So let me just tell you what they require right here. They require a compatible checking or saving account that meets the following criteria. So the first one is that you have about 3 months of transaction history. Of course, your bank account needs to be open for at least 3 months or 90 days, right? So if your account is open for 3 months or 90 days, you can do that. You have an income coming into your account for $1,400 per month. Remember, you can have your income deposit like your direct deposit, or if you're depositing the cash in your account, at least $1,400 a month. So if you just add every deposit that you do in a month, if it's $1,400 or over $1,400, you're good to go. You can apply for this loan. And of course, when you applying, just make sure you don't have a negative balance on your account, so you are not overdrawn. So if you are not, you're good to go. You can get this loan, and this is really simple and straightforward. So now let's see how the application looks like. So I'm just gonna click right here on apply now. It's 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as I do that, this page will open, and there's a slider right here. I was just playing with it a lot, right? So what they exactly do, that you can actually set that how much you're looking for and how much you need to pay them back. I know it's a very high interest rate, believe me. So there's a lot of great options, but if you need an emergency cash or something, you can get this loan. But remember, when you're about to get this loan, they will tell you that how much you're gonna pay and what would be your monthly payment. And of course, the APR is almost 200%. That is crazy. So I'm telling you, only apply for this loan if you really need it and you see that there's no other way to get this loan. So for example, the maximum amount they give is $500. Yes, you can get up to $500 as this is an emergency personal loan. The maximum repayment length they give you is 4 months. You can pay it back in 1 month, you can pay it back in 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, but the 4 months is the maximum time limit and the maximum length that they give you. So they will split the payment every month, or you can actually split this payment in two as well every month. So you can actually, if it's $180, so you can actually pay them $90 every 15 days, and then that's how you can pay them back in 4 months. If you have the money up front, you can do that in 1 month, 2 months as well. There is no prepayment fee, so don't worry about it, right? So on 500, you're going to pay a total of 723.08. so it means that you are actually paying a $223.08 on top of your loan. So keep that in mind, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please if you like this video, give it a big like and smash that like button. It helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.